Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to find the average of numbers in Google Sheets. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try to open the Google Sheet and here you can see some of the numbers. Okay, so if you want, you can add some more numbers also. I will just add 2050 and 3000 and all. Okay, so here you can see some of the numbers. Let's try to arrange these numbers. Okay, suppose if you want to find the average of these numbers, means for that what you can do is like you can just use the formula is equal to average and just select this particular formula average, and now you can press enter by selecting all the numbers, then finally you can press enter. Okay, so here you can see this is the average of all these numbers. So the sum of all these numbers is 9050, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so let's try to open the calculator. Let's try to the calculator. 9505 divided by 9. Okay, so 1050.11. So this is the average of all these numbers by using the formula is equal to average, and select all the cells for whichever the numbers you want the average. Okay, so no need to press the closing parenthesis, you can directly press the enter so that you will get average of all the numbers for whichever the number you are looking for. Okay, so this is how you can find average of numbers in Google Sheets. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.